me! You just swear at me! Don't touch me!
Hands behind your back!
Don't touch me! Oh my god, stop, I'm horny. Stop. Stop, stop, stop.
On April 9th, 2024, a Florida traffic stop became a dual officer case study. 2 officers, 1 encounter, opposite ends of the professional spectrum. This analysis examines whether the traffic stop and arrest satisfied constitutional standards, whether the use of force aligned with Graham versus Connor objective reasonableness, and whether this case represents the first documented counterexample to the officer excellence triad.
Pulling in a 580 green lawn. I'll get your tag in a second. Why are you getting out of your car?
Your siren's on or whatever.
Get back in your car.
Okay, that's fine.
Get back in your car.
Well, you put your
Charlie
put
5
your
Central.
lights on.
Can you copy the Illinois tag? Get back in your car.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
Charlie X-ray 69956. Red Kia. Start me a second.
Oh, what's up? Why did you pull me over?
The stop sign. Where's your license at?
What stop? I stopped at the stop sign.
You stopped past it.
I
Do you have your
stopped at the
license?
Stop sign. Yes, sir.
Then let me get your license.
Okay. I didn't do anything. Oh my
Also
gosh,
your tint.
Please stop. Please stop. I was supposed to go on a date with an officer at 6:30.
I don't give a shit. I need your license.
Please don't curse at me.
I need your license, please.
I'll find it somewhere in here. There's some freaking vinegar and some books and some what? Like, what did I do, sir? A stop sign? Where's the stop sign?
Stop sign's right there.
Where? Can you please get the lights out of my face? Okay?
How we doing, man? Just
Please
pulled over or
really
just
chill
ran from
out.
that fight?
Please let me chill out. Like, what's going on?
Where's your...
This is my baby, and I'm just holding on to it because
10-4.
I love life. 10-4. Seriously.
Okay, where's your license at?
I'm trying to find it in my bag right now, but you're shining lights in my face and you're yelling
I'm not shining
at me.
any lights in your face. I'm
You
asking
and
for
you
your...
cursed
You got
at
it in
me.
your car.
You just cursed at me. You said
I
a
don't
swear
care if
word
you're
at me.
going on a date with
Well,
the cop. I really don't care.
You just cursed at me.
Okay.
You don't swear at me, officer.
Do you have your license?
No, please, sir.
Back up.
I'm driving. Don't touch me.
Hands behind your back.
No, don't touch me. You just swear at me. Don't touch me.
Hands behind your back.
Don't touch me. Oh my god, stop. I'm horny. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. No, for what?
Hands behind your fucking back.
They are. Stop. I didn't do anything. All you're doing is cursing me. I didn't do anything. Ow. I didn't do anything. Stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Stop fucking kicking me.
I am not cursing at you. Ow. Ow. I am not cursing at you.
Stay on the
All
ground.
you're doing is swearing at me. And you're cursing at me. For what? What did I do? Stop.
Get up.
You're making me bleed.
Get up.
You're making me bleed. Stop. No. Give me shit. Ow.
Don't move. Do not move.
And I'm fine. Please don't, please. My left wrist hurts really badly.
Moving.
Please.
Shut up and stop moving.
My left wrist hurts really badly. Please. Ow, see?
Shut up and we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna take this hand out and I swear to God, if you move it, I'm gonna hurt you. You understand? You're gonna go right back on the ground.
I didn't do anything wrong. Please, oh my God. Please, I'm really sorry. My left wrist hurts so badly. See, I was caught up. Can you see the bruise? I just filed a sexual assault report with my deans this morning. Well, yesterday morning.
to do with me.
Whatever the fuck time it is. I don't know. If my watch fell off now because Uncle Pete was dropped for no reason. Fucking mustache over there. He was dropped for no reason. And all you guys are fine. But I asked for help, and what'd you give me? Fucking assault. And guess what I had to file this morning? Assault with my 2 deans. And that's already stressful. And then I had an emergency therapy appointment at 3 p.m. today because I'm already in enough distress. And I'm not doing any drugs. And I'm out of cigarettes. I wish I had a fucking cigarette to smoke right now. But I'm
feel you
out
on
of
that.
cigarettes. You know? I just want to like go smoke a smoke and do my books. But I can't get out of here. Oh, what? Oh! Oh, please, you see my scratch? And then I'm sorry, pardon my French, some ratchet ass fucking bitch and his girlfriend.
It's a disgusting abscess.
Literally. Abscess and shit. That's a fucking scar. You even know what I've been through? No. I thank you for your service, but like I've been through some fucking shit too.
You're welcome. What's your name?
Angela, what's your name?
Who?
What's your name? Officer, what's your name?
Deputy Nelson.
Deputy
What's
Nelson.
your name?
That's a good name. Angela.
Angela what?
Angela Patron.
Patron.
Yeah, I have nothing in my car.
Face the car. Don't make me tell you.
No, please, those are my books. Those are my books, please.
Do not come off this car again.
Those are my books, though.
Understand.
That's all I live for. I have nothing in there. I don't do anything bad. I'm a full-time student. I go to church every Sunday, and those are my books. That's all I care about is my books. And my music. Oh my gosh. If I can get a pack of cigarettes and go home and play some piano, that'd be so lit. If I could like boom, 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 boom on the piano right now, oh my goodness. My pastor loves me and my therapist loves me. What more is there to say?
What church do you go to?
Thrive.
In
Well,
Portland?
yes, because I'm a caretaker for this 30-year-old. He's wheelchair bound, this cerebral palsy boy. He's 30 years old and he's wheelchair bound. So we go there for like a concert. And he loves it. I'm a confirmed Catholic. My glasses are off because he took them off me or whatever. Sorry, I'm not trying to run, obviously. My glasses and my sweater are off. Can you fix my hair a little bit for me so it's not in my face?
It's fine. What are you doing? Stop.
I'm trying to fix
It's
my
fine.
hair. It hurts.
Face the car. Stop moving.
Okay. So we go to this Thrive church. It's really nice. And our pastor loves
Oh my
us.
God. Thank you.
Hi.
You're
And
good. Okay, listen to her. Do what she says. Don't do anything else.
yes, ma'am. Hi.
Hi, Sergeant Olson, Smyrna Beach PD. I'm going to search you. Do you have anything on you that can poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, I'm on a period though.
You what? You're on your period? Great. I love my fucking girl. Are you hiding anything in your bra or in
Oh my
your
gosh,
hoo-ha?
I'm not wearing a bra and no.
Okay, can you turn around and
Yes.
face this vehicle for me, please? Spread your feet.
The initial stop is constitutionally clean. Under Warren versus United States, 1996, the observed stop sign violation supplies probable cause regardless of any pretextual motive. Florida Statute 316.123 defines the violation. The license demand is lawful under the Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, Traffic Stop Framework. Pennsylvania versus Mims, 1977, permits ordering the driver out per se. Under PERF guiding principles on de-escalation, officer-initiated profanity is identified as a de-escalation failure marker. When the officer's tone sets the encounter floor, the subject mirrors that floor. The professional standard is clear. The officer's tone determines whether the encounter de-escalates or escalates. From the officer first profanity forward, the subject mirrored the escalation. This is observable across decades of policing research. The use of force is assessed under Graham versus Connor, 1989, objective reasonableness. The 3 Graham factors. Severity of offense was low stop sign plus alleged resisting. Immediate threat was absent, subject unarmed, and searching for license. Active resistance was verbal, not physical. The takedown is arguably reasonable but is not well supported by the factors. The officer's threatening language under restraint represents a professional standard concern. Mental health crisis indicators were observable from the encounter's early phase emergency therapy reference, religious coping, caretaker context, recent trauma disclosure. Under crisis intervention team standards, the Memphis model adopted by most major American agencies since 1988, these indicators require recognition, de-escalation, and resource coordination. CITED certification rates correlate directly with reduced use of force incidents.
I've been plugged like the waist. May I please tell you, I'm in a little bit of stress because I had a 3 p.m. emergency therapist appointment today,
and I had to report a sexual assault to my deans today at school, and I really didn't want to, but they like enforced me to, so it's fine. So I'm a little bit distraught right now.
Okay, I can understand. Sounds like a very hard day. I'm going to take your necklace off because we are going to collect everything that you are wearing.
No, why am I going in?
I'm searching you right now, so I'm going to take everything off, and then if you're not going in, but it sounds like you're...
No, I'm fine. I'm literally fine.
You are fine.
You can like literally be a female.
You ain't going to go nowhere.
Oh,
You're okay. God's still with you, baby.
What's your name, brother?
Dwight. Remember?
Can you stand up?
No, my knees. Yeah, I can get some help.
No, I'm saying if I help you, you're gonna be able to stand up. 1, 2. Come over here, brother. Come over here. Pants inside out. What you doing?
At the house now, I'm gonna get this shit all messed up.
Where are you, something, man? I'm gonna just talk to you real quick, alright? Yeah, look at me, listen, man. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You just being detained, bro. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before you ask any questions and a lawyer present during questioning. You cannot afford a lawyer who want to be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. To answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to answer any time. You also have the right to answer any time until you talk to a lawyer. You understand these rights, bro?
Yeah. Why was I red those?
Huh?
Why was I red?
I'm just gonna ask you a few questions, bro. How do you know her?
I don't.
So what are you doing in her car then?
Because I asked her to give me a ride home.
Where's home?
1653 Enterprise Drive.
Okay.
That's right up the road.
What were you doing out here?
I hollered at her.
You hollered at her? So you've never met her before? You just wanted to ride home from some random chick?
I got random chick that hollered at her. Oh, hey, listen, I'm a man. And she looked like she was having fun. I asked her. I said, what's up? What you doing? She
Were you
said,
trying to have some fun with her?
yeah.
Okay.
But I kind of got the feeling that she wasn't right when she started singing to herself and stuff. So I was like,
You think she's just crazy?
no, she's very intelligent, very smart. Smart.
Okay.
I mean, smart.
You got anything on you, man?
No, check. I'm signing out for everyone. Song table.
I got you. Why are you wearing them this way, bro?
That's one for my job. Thank you.
Your job, painting?
Yeah.
She wear... Sir. It is now. I'm Deputy Blackwell.
Oh. I got a couple pair of shorts on.
You got something in them? Come on, man. I'm letting you go. Yeah, I'm gonna take you out first, bro. Ain't nothing on here.
Why is he a wrestler? Tell me how tall is how you
This one? You sound alright, bro.
Look, when she can tell me.
You said this guy used to be a wrestler? Is yours? You grab your glasses, boss man? Your glasses, man? Right.
Thank you.
Oh, she's not gonna be driving, so.
Wow.
Me used to name and everything. I'll get you out of here, alright? What's your first name, brother? Dwight.
Dwight. You good, bud?
Yeah, I'm good. Spell it D-W-I. What's your middle initial?
Told.
Last name?
Wood. W-O-U-L-R.
W-O-U?
L-A-R-D. W-O-U-L-R.
What's your date of birth? Alright, you're good, man. So you're not gonna be driving anytime soon? Where's your cigarette at?
Right in the middle.
Go ahead.
Am I moving cigarette? Oh. And, oh my shoe. Where's my other shoe? Wow.
You good?
Yeah.
What?
Go ahead and sit.
Come up there and have a seat, please.
Oh, I ain't doing anything.
Is that you that was fighting over there? Somebody was fighting?
Whose house is this?
I was getting ready to.
Man, I know what you was getting ready to do, man. Get your ass back over on Enterprise, man. Shit. You ain't fooling nobody out here, man. Yeah. This poor girl.
Then a second officer arrives. Sergeant Owen Smith from Beach PD provides professional introduction and pre-search safety inquiry, admissible under Pennsylvania v. Muniz, 1990, booking exception. The female officer for female subject procedure is best practice under IACP and PERF standards. The signature moment, quote, sounds like a very hard day represents trauma-informed policing in its most distilled form. Validation without judgment, acknowledgement of difficulty, no minimization. The encounter has a second subject. The passenger receives full Miranda warnings under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966. Substantive questioning follows the warning sequence. Under Maryland v. Pringle, 2003, probable cause assessment is individualized. Mere presence in another subject's vehicle does not establish probable cause for any offense. The officer releases the passenger at scene. The procedural correctness is constitutionally clean. This case is the first documented counterexample to the officer excellence triad. The triad describes what is possible. This case shows what is not guaranteed within the same encounter and agency. 6 grades emerge. The initial officer earns a D+ valid stop predicate, but profanity first and threatening language. Sergeant Owen Smith earns an A- trauma-informed excellence and signature acknowledgement. The primary subject earns a D mental health crisis mitigation. The passenger earns a B cooperative and properly released. 3 lessons emerge. First, officer-initiated profanity is de-escalation failure. PERF research is unambiguous. Second, crisis intervention is a training, not a talent. The Memphis Model CITED certification matters because mental health crisis recognition is teachable. Third, officer excellence is individual, not institutional. The triad describes possibility. Individual application is required. There is no shortcut between the constitutional floor and the excellence ceiling. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.